How to become a high-ticket closer with no experience. Trying to get into high-ticket sales with no experience. You've probably done what most beginners do. Watched dozens of sales videos, saved different scripts, and tried to figure out which strategy actually works. But there's a problem. Consuming sales content isn't the same as learning how to sell. To actually develop the skill, you need a clear system to learn the fundamentals, watch real calls, practice what you learn, and get feedback. And that's exactly what caught my attention about Impact Team. Impact Team is a sales community built around helping people learn high-ticket sales, and you can start with their community for free. Instead of just giving you information, they combine training, real sales call recordings, live coaching, role play, and community practice. So you can go from learning the script to seeing it in action to actually practicing the skill. They also advertise access to potential sales opportunities through their influencer and company partners. But there's an important difference between the free community and VIP. The free community is a way to get started and learn the system. The VIP is positioned for people who are serious about mastering sales. What Impact Team describes as the difference between the people who simply scroll and the people who are committed to mastery. VIP is currently $97 per month, and they say they put dozens of hours each week into working with the people who are committed. And there's some strong social proof behind the program. The VIP page currently shows a 4.9 star rating from more than 1,600 reviews. One reviewer specifically praised the fact that the training helped him understand why the questions are being asked, instead of simply giving him a script and sending him away. And that's an important distinction, because becoming a good closer isn't about memorizing what to say. It's about understanding the conversation, practicing the skill, and knowing how to apply it. Of course, no program can guarantee a specific income or a sales job. Your results depend on your effort, ability, and opportunities. But if you're serious about getting into high-ticket sales and you're tired of jumping between random videos without a structured path, Impact Team is worth checking out. I'll put the link below. You can explore the free community first, see what they offer, and decide whether the VIP is right for you.